Right, I'm sure, like me, many of you have been quite worried about how your gardens and your allotments are going to get on in this extreme heat that we've currently got. And whilst I'm not going to talk about the general going round and watering things, sometimes twice a day, and don't even get me started on the greenhouse, you really need to be on top of the greenhouse plants to even keep them alive at this point. But I want to focus on the importance of mulching. Now, a couple of years ago, I did a short video on mulching. The reason why I was mulching this area, which is where I've got some fruit trees, and why I mulched it. First of all, mulching suppresses the weeds, which is really important. We've got enough of a battle with weeds on our plot, and the last thing you want to do is less visited sites such as orchard parts. The weeds can get quite invasive and start competing with your fruit trees. And secondly, no prizes for guessing, mulching really does help with the watering. The fact that you've got this layer of material, I use bark and wood chippings, but you can use other things. I've even seen people use stones and broken slates and things like that. But what it does do is it reduces the evaporation. If I just scrape away here, you can see that is dark, that is wet, that is superb moisture conservation at this time of the year, particularly while we're in the midst of a so-called heat wave. Check that out. Now that is just a couple of inches below my mulch. And if you do have areas where you think, right, I don't want to be in this situation next year, and you want to minimize how much time you spend watering, then crack on with some mulching. Mulching is the way forward. Thanks for watching. Best wishes. Take care.